Trying to understand the human body can feel like staring at a giant, confusing puzzle. We've all been there. But what if you could explore anatomy like Google Maps, zooming from full organs down to tiny molecular details in seconds? And what if you could create clean, scientific illustrations with just a text prompt? Today, I'm revealing 2 tools that are transforming how we learn and visualize human biology. Let's explore them. Meet BioDigital Human, literally Google Maps for the human body. This cloud-based platform gives you access to over 14,000 individually selectable anatomical structures. We're talking desktop, mobile, AR, and VR compatibility. Trusted by leading healthcare institutions, educational organizations, and medical devices companies. An interactive 3D software platform for visualizing anatomy, disease, and treatment. Here's what makes it powerful. Navigate through 600+ simulated health conditions, from gross anatomy all the way down to molecular views. Explore procedural demonstrations. Every structure is scientifically accurate. But the real game changer? Human Studio. Create custom content, add your own annotations, build interactive presentations. Need multilingual support? It's available in 8 languages. Explore interactive 3D anatomy, physiology, conditions and treatments on the human platform. Mobile app supported by both platforms, iOS and Android validated, professional-grade 3D human anatomy models. 8 different languages. Easy-to-use interface. BioDigital in virtual reality. At the forefront of immersive technology for health and medicine for 2 decades, BioDigital stands alone in offering cloud-based access to the world's largest library. 3D technology to explain complex medicine. BioDigital brings expertise in biomedical engineering, 3D medical animation, health informatics and anatomy. Need a custom scientific illustration? Here's your answer. This is Illustrae, your AI-powered scientific graphics generator. Instead of spending hours in Adobe Illustrator or hiring expensive medical illustrators, you simply describe what you need in plain English. Watch how fast this works. From molecular structures, cellular processes, anatomical diagrams, research figures, Illustrae generates publication-quality visuals in minutes. The AI understands scientific terminology and visual conventions. Need a mitochondrial cross-section with labeled components? Type it. Want a signal transduction pathway diagram? Describe it. The platform creates scientifically accurate illustrations ready for journals, presentations, or educational materials. Here's why researchers love it. Full customization control after generation. Adjust colors, labels, orientations. Export in multiple formats for different use cases. Perfect for grant proposals, manuscript figures, conference posters, or teaching slides. No design experience required. The AI handles the technical drawing while you focus on the science. It's like having a professional medical illustrator on demand. Illustrae offers simple, affordable pricing with both monthly and annual subscription plans that you can choose to create exactly what you need. Whether you're a researcher racing against publication deadlines, an educator creating course materials, or a student building presentations, Illustrae transforms hours of design work into minutes of simple descriptions. Team up biodigital.com and illustrae.co. You'll feel unstoppable. Links in the description. Give them a whirl. Comment, share and subscribe for more.